Welcome to the Nurts. Today we'll show you how to play Happy Diners, a fun and meaningful way to learn about balanced meals and nutritional insights. The goal of the game is to be the first to score 5 diner profile cards by creating the highest scoring balanced meals each round. Here's what's inside the Happy Diner set. First, you have the game manual. You have the diner's profile card. This is the card used to refer to when you are building your perfect meal. You have your food cards in 3 categories: fruits and vegetables, green color, proteins in red, and carbohydrates in yellow. Dietary Condition cards provides extra rules to follow when serving your meal. For this card, players must comply with the requirements and restrictions, or else they are invalid sets. Diner profile cards. Each diner has their likes and dislikes, just like humans. In advanced play, you will have the special action cards such as swap, nullify dietary conditions, or peek at the upcoming diner profile and others. There are 2 ways that you can play. Style 1, simple rule, the basic play, and Style 2, advanced play, or the standard rules. Let's begin with the simple rule. To set up the game, shuffle the draw pile, which contains the food cards. In this level, the special action cards are not included. Also, shuffle the diner profile deck. For basic play, you will have 2 separate decks. Deal 7 cards from the draw pile to each player. How to play? The person left to the dealer will start the game. In this level, all players will compete over the same diner profile. To begin, flip open the diner profile and put it in the center. Use your card to create the balanced meals that fits the diner profile. Now, a balanced meal consists of 2 green cards, 1 red and 1 yellow card. In each of their turn, players can discard unwanted food cards into a discard pile and draw new ones from the draw pile if the player doesn't have the necessary food to fit in their diner profile. You can discard up to 7 cards in your hand if you want. For instance, perhaps the player doesn't have enough green cards. They choose to do 1 move and pick a new card. After every player has completed their set, place the chosen cards face down at the same time. Then, review the sets and calculate the total nutrition rating, which is the sum of the stars. The player with the highest score wins and keeps the diner profile card as a scoring point. Then, on to the next round. In Style 2, players are given special actions in their draw pile. The special action cards lets a player gain an advantage over their opponents. Every card has different effects. In total, for advanced play, you will have 3 separate decks. Similarly, deal 7 cards from the draw pile to each player. The game begins with flipping over the diner profile card and the dietary condition card. Here, players compete to make the valid set to fit the diner profile and abiding by the dietary condition card. Players must follow the requirements to play a valid set, which is inclusive of 2 green, 1 red and 1 yellow card. The sets then must comply with the dietary conditions of the diner profile. Refer to the diner profile for extra points when scoring. For example, you can add 1 point for each card that matches the likes and deduct 1 point if it matches the dislikes. The opposing player can also spot and call out for invalid sets and take up any card from the other player. Same as Style 1, players can discard and draw new cards from the draw pile if they don't have the proper cards, or the player can also skip the round if they have no valid sets. However you play, it's all about learning through fun and connection. Tag us at the Nurts and share your game moments with us.